Hello, viewers. Today, I want to share something very close to my heart. I want to share an experience with you. Yesterday, I was invited for a function, and I was the chief guest there. And all the people that I met were so amazing and so beautifully talented. And it took me back to the time when I was at the starting gate and I had just finished college and I wanted to, first I wanted to do art history as a very confused child. So I can totally relate when kids say, Arey, I don't know what I want to do. So pehle my choice was art history. And then when I came back to Bombay, I didn't find a lot of, uh, you know, um, takers for this. I didn't get a proper job that I was looking for in the museum. I was trying for as a museum curator, uh, or like art gallery person. That's what people with art history degrees do. I'm an art history graduate from Boston University. So I thought it'd be very hunky dory when I'd come back to India, but I didn't get the kind of reaction that I wanted. And out of pure boredom, I joined Prithvi Theatre, Dubeji's classes. I didn't even think about being an actress, nothing. It was just essay. But this conversation isn't about me. I don't want to digress. What I felt was like all the breaks that I got was so by chance. I did work hard. I was a hardworking girl. But when I saw the students yesterday, my God, I was just blown. So much effort, especially two, three of them really touched my heart. They put so much effort. Uh, and already at 21, 22, they were already so well honed and they had brushed up their own talents so much and they were pursuing MBA. And I feel the young generation of today is like very like a overachiever vibe. लाइक MBA भी करना है, मार्केटिंग भी करना है, थोड़ा डांस वांस भी कर लेते, ये भी कर लेते, वो भी कर लेते. And they give properly time to each thing. And I think sometimes about my chaotic teenage years and I wish I was a more organized and more focused child. I think I would have done better at my acting and I would have had not that I didn't want to do well in acting, but I took a lot for granted. I said, ho jayega. Too much depending on luck. But no, I realized preparation. Preparation is everything. And so that's my takeaway from this beautiful experience. The students taught me also. So I just felt I learned a lot. Chalo, bell baj gayi. I've got to go. But nice sharing this with you. I hope it resonates with a lot of you.